Good morning, guys. I just got up late, 10:03. So I was a bit tired. I came late home yesterday and no gym today, only rest. So, anyways, it's 10 o'clock and Nifty is 0.02. Nifty is in middle now. Okay, so how did Nifty move today? Went down, again it went up, it's going down, it's going up. A lot of confusion, I guess. So still, let's just check the gainers and losers. Currently we have Vedanta in the top, and in the down we have Tata Motor. Indian indices and go to okay. So what we can do, all these old ones and keep, what are the names? Tata Motors, Vedanta, right? Do not disturb. So Vedanta, Tata Motors 297.75. For now, let me go with this around 2600. Let me go with bracket order this time. This 80 paisa is 0.3%. 80, 160, 1 rupee 60 paisa, 2 rupees 40 paisa. So 0.80 is 0.80. Stop loss for now I'll keep 1% just for avoid fluctuations. So I'll keep 2 rupee 50 paisa and why is it dancing? 10 buy. Is it still pending? Bracket order 0.80, 2 rupees 50 paisa. Why is it going towards? Okay, now it's fine. So let's see. I put a bracket order of 80 paisa. So put it at 235, right? So target is 235.80. As soon as it breaks the high 235.75, our target is done. 0.3%. Okay, This is only for observation, guys. Now don't tell beginners will see this and copy the same. Always learn first, understand how the markets are. There are a lot of reasons why I keep stop loss little far, considering the minimum fluctuations. So always be careful. Just learn and observe different things in the market. This is just the practicals for you guys. Going to the 3 minutes chart. Okay, it's just going on. Currently RSI is in the top. It's my worry, but in 1 minute RSI in the low. Can go again above 70. That's my chance. To have an eye on this Tata Motors. It's going down and it's recovering now. Nifty, oh my god, Nifty is in negative 17. Now it's against us. Nifty is against us. Anyways, but how long? I'll just see if Nifty can again go up like this after some time. If you see Nifty came down, again dancing going up, again it's coming down, anywhere till here or somewhere, and again Nifty once it goes back up to hit the super trend. Need to wait till then if this can resist, and once that moves a bit up, this will go up faster. Currently this stock will be going a bit down, considering the market is going down. Market is going down, and this one, let's see if it was going down or it's recovering from RSI. If you see, it's fully down, and now it's looking like recovering from RSI, but still because of Nifty's reason it's coming a bit down, or else the stock should be going little up, at least touching this super trend at least once in a day. But for now Nifty is not supporting, so it's a negative. So it has come to 297.45, and our target is done, I guess. Done. Okay, so target is done for the day. So point, if you see, I kept my target as 0.80. So if you would have waited again, it would have gone to 0.80 and it came back to 235.55. So for beginners, what I'm trying to tell is, if you keep off the target as 0.3% as per the stock. Now whoever doesn't know 0.3, watch my old videos. It's percentage on the stock. The stock price is 235.70, right? So into 0.3 divided by 100, you do this, you get to know what is your target of 0.3 target. So whatever stock you're buying, do this into 0.3 divided by 100 you do, and then place that, because in this 0.3 three target. 0.05 to 0.06% only will go as your brokerage, tax, GST, all these things. Rest is in your hand. Okay, so that's the reason it's a very planned and successful formula in whole India. Most of the beginners are following this. That's the reason I'm telling for the new people, try to follow this point 3. If you're trading, if you're still learning, don't put money, just learn and observe from people. Once you're confident and with your strategies how to pick a stock and how it moves, go with first 0.3% so that you can make consistent profit. Okay, so this trade was very quick. Let me see the timing of this trade. Okay, you can see multiple trades over here because it's a bracket order. Okay, it'll sell in lot by lot type. So 10-4, if you see 10-4 is the buy which happened 235, and then 10-8 in 4 minutes 235.80. You got a 0.3%, 2000 rupees profit. Okay, anyways, if you see Tata Motors is going a bit down, so what I will take a chance here is put a bracket order around 2200 stocks. I will sell it for 1 rupee. Stop loss is 3 rupee, and sell. Got rejected. 2200 bracket order. Target 1 rupee. Stop loss 3 rupee. All good. Perfect. Still we have stocks to be sold. Yes, 2200 stocks already. So I kept 1 rupee target. Okay, 0.3%. See, 3 it's almost 3 rupees stock. 2 rupee 97 to 297 means almost 3 rupees, right? So 1 rupee is 30 paisa, 30%, 0.3%, and 2 rupees is 0.6%, and 3 rupees considering 9%. So overall it is around 0.40%. So I kept 1 rupee as target, and I've sold it at 297.40. So if it comes to 296.40, our target is done for the day. Don't see the depth loading. Okay. Two 96.90. Why is it not loading? Okay, so lowest is only 296.75. Okay, hope Nifty helps me. Come on, Nifty, go negative. So we have to wait for some time. So once we are done, I will re-record the video. So if you see, Tata Motors is also hit the target. Okay, so Nifty is in negative 31. So let's see. Okay, so just now around order executed, I guess. Very slow today. Zerodha is very slow. Not sure why. So these are the ones completed ones. So the buy is done at 296.4, as we told. We had sold it at 297.4, if you see. Right, see, 297.4. See, around 297.75 we tried to sell, but by mistake I think the quantity was extra 10. You see, the app was dancing. Then finally again 297.4 I sold the stock, and around 10:15, and then the stock went half down, and again stock went up, down, and finally it came down to 296.4 at 11:15. So exactly 1 hour. So this trade took exactly 1 hour. Considering the Nifty was dancing, it was going towards positive, and again it finally came back to negative towards our side. So that is how the chart moved. And if you see, it's very slow today. If you see, Nifty went up, then finally again it came down, and that is when our target was triggered. Anyways, VDL has gone up to 237.40. It's fine, we got a 0.3, more than enough for us. I just did the second trade just to show the buy and sell side, both side, considering the Nifty was dancing between 0.20 up and down. So it's moving either side, so I took the advantage of both the side. So this is one more learning for you guys. So please trade safe. For training, you can WhatsApp my team, my traders, and my team will help you on the training and additional details. And for the ones who want to open account, you can always click on the description below and open your account, and you can be added to my secret channel. Okay, so please do like these live trading videos, so that I will make more and more live trading videos, different situation, different timings, and different scenarios. So daily vlogs on it whenever possible. So please do share this video with all your friends, and also subscribe to this channel so that you can watch more and more videos and more of learnings. Thank you so much. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.